Hello everyone. I hope you all had a relaxing weekend. Now let's get ready for the week ahead and prepare for tomorrow's market. So on the screen we have a Nifty market profile chart. In the previous session, short seller clearly took control and managed to close below 25,849. So for now this still looks like an old business play via long unwinding, and my focus will be on fresh initiative activity if we start getting acceptance below this reference of 25,849. So where I will be watching for a tag on the downside 25,384 and 284 area as a send line. I already marked this as a key reference, right? In one of my reading, I also mentioned about BTC USD could be the first to lead this fresh downside move. So currently Bitcoin is hovering around 108k for the past 5 months, right? And it has shown no real strength about this reference. Interestingly, while the US market have rallied over 20% or more than that, and Nifty recovered from the lower side, swing low से कितना हो गया, almost like 16% हो गया. It's almost tagged the ATH, and the bullions, a supposed hedge asset, has not followed that curve. It stretched more than the expectations, more than the fundamental values. So for me, that indicates risk on the tape here, and there are various parameter I consider before making this statement. But the real question comes, or it will come after some couple of months. Whose risk is on the line here? It's the tape, it's a system, or it's just a hedge asset. Okay, we will find out. So that's something we will be watching closely over the next few week or few month upcoming, like coming to the option chart now. In 25,500 call, as expected, we saw the price getting attracted toward triple three zone here, below the mid reference of 464. On Monday I will be watching how price behave around this reference into the opening. If it start moving back towards 464 mid reference, then we can expect a possible weekly expiry in between of it. So in a sport chart, we can expect 25,720 and 25,930 in between. Okay, but if price get accepted below this, like below this reference on the downside, then there will be probability we can tag 134 area. So we need to check how the auction work below this. It's a live market feed. Okay, in 26,300 put, momentum continue above 386, and the option writer will feel the panic or pressure above 481. On the higher side, if price sustain above this on Monday or on the Tuesday, we can expect a tag towards 637 or 736. So however, if the market accept below this reference of 481 again, then we might get a range bound expiry in between, as we consider in a C side context. Okay, so these are my current observation for tomorrow's session and for the upcoming week's expiry. So remember guys, what I'm sharing here is context based approach. My actual execution depend on the live market data and fresh auction form with the context of market profile. Okay, so which help me directly to make a estimate on intention, volume, and the aggression of participant in the real time. Okay, so here is a quick note for the order flow traders. Order flow is not about giving you entries, exit, or a fixed target. Okay, it's about reading the market's internal structure and understanding the players behind the move. Okay, if you focus on the root, meaning core concept and the context, the fruit will come automatically. But if you keep chasing branches like random order flow depth or social media noise, you will end up empty handed. Mark on this. So there is a lot of misinformation out there, so be selective what like about what you consume here. So filter your learning, focus on the growth, not the entertainment part. For serious trader, you can join our trading community for live commentary. To join, you can contact me on WhatsApp or visit the website directly. And for those who interested in the commodity room, please make a note. It require high capital and strong patience. So since I mostly trade in the swing or the position setup there, not frequent intraday moves. Okay, I strictly avoid the intraday. there will be some setup which appear for the intraday, then I can take with the proper RR. So it's not for everyone, only for traders ready to handle larger positions and the longer side. So that's it for today's update. Let's see how the market unfold tomorrow. Stay focused, stay patient, and trade with the context.